Hey, what's up guys? iSaurabh here. This is Casio Etnicer A1615. Let's unbox it. There is no any seal on the box. Now uplift the box lid. We get the watch itself on the top. Now we have warranty card, user manual and its price tag in the box. Let's keep this aside and have a look on the watch. It is covered in plastic to prevent a scratch. There is also a foam between it. Now remove the plastic cover. It has minimal dial design which gives you an attractive look. There is plastic protection on the glass. A minimal glass build of this watch has a scratch and shatter resistance qualities. The case is made up of stainless steel. Its size is 40 mm. The band of this watch is made up of leather to give it a classy design. Although it is thick, which feels uncomfortable on hand. Overall, this watch looks beautiful and premium on both casual and formal outfits. If you want to buy this watch, I will put the best buy link in the description. That's all. Thanks for watching.